Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dina Agustina. I am a student at State Islamic University Raden Fata Palembang. Especially I from the Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teachery English Education Study Program. Okay, in this video I want to speak about Rafflesia. Rafflesia, beautiful and unique flowers that only exist in Indonesia. Flowers, Latin flores, are a means of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Division Magnoleptia or Angiosperm closet plants. In flowers, there are reproductive organs, namely stems and pistils. The biological function of flowers is the sexual organ as a place for the union of male microspores and female macrospores gems to produce seed. That flowers are analogous to the sexual organs in animal was only scientifically realized in 7th century in Europe. Some flowers have bright colors that function as a lure of pollination in animals. In addition, flowers also have various kinds of flowers such as rose, jasmine, orchid, tulips, lotus, hibiscus, bougainvillea, and others. Apart from these kinds, there are also rare flowers that only exist in Indonesia, such as Rafflesia flowers. Then, what are Rafflesia flowers? Divide into how many kinds and what uniques they have. First, according to the large Indonesian dictionary, Rafflesia in tropical plastic plants including the Rafflesiae tribe have a green lively substance. Short system on them, there is only one flower that can grow very large. Largo kinds is found in Sumatra, 1 meter in diameter, reported by Encyclopedia Britannica 2015. Rafflesia flowers are obligate parasitic plants, namely living organisms that can only live or survive on living plants as well as their hosts. Rafflesia has no chlorophyll, no green photosynthetic tissue. Leaves and roots. Flowers are well developed and can be very large and is named after Thomas Stanford Raffles, the leader of the expedition. Second, reporting from techno.co.id, there are several kinds of Rafflesia flowers, including for Dr. Joseph Arnold in 1818 and named after Thomas Stamford Raffles, the leader of the expedition. Then there is Rafflesia bungculuensis, which one of 5 kinds of Rafflesia sp flowers identified in Bengkulu forest. Some time ago, this rare and protected flowers was found blooming in the thicket on the banks of the Panakulon River around Manau 9 village co-regency, Bengkulu province. Furthermore, Rafflesia kemumu is family of parasitic plants species from the genus Rafflesia. This plant comes from the island of Sumatra. Rafflesia kemumu was only identified as a new kind of Rafflesia in 2017, so that currently in Bengkulu province there are 5 kinds of Rafflesia identified. Third, reporting from idam.time.com, the uniqueness of Rafflesia is that it is not like other plants that have stem, leaves, and roots. Besides that, it has an unpleasant aroma like flowers in general, which have a fragrant aroma, and the most prominent uniqueness is because it is a plant that only exists in Indonesia. So, the conclusion is that Rafflesia is a rare flower and only exists in Indonesia. Has many kinds, its own uniqueness that is different flowers in general. And then, thank you for your watching the video. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.